welcome back to my channel. This is the voice of Victory Akoko, and we're going to learn how to make this mock-up life care impact initiative. Now, the website I'm going to use is free, and I think we all know it, photopea.com. So I will advise you to watch every step of this video so that you won't miss any part. And if you get value, subscribe, leave a like, and turn on your notification bells for more videos from me. So let's get right into it. We're going to go to the app Photopea. I'm going to load up the website, photopea.com. Okay, photopea.com. So I'm just going to click on it and wait for it to load. Okay. Alright, so this is much better. So next I'm going to click on templates. And then I'm going to wait for this template to load up. This enables us to work with PSD files provided by the website. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down and click on white paper. So you can see there are many more templates, but we're going to be working with this white paper template. Okay, so I'll just click on it and then wait for it to load. You can see finance9effect.com, all that. And then click on the circle of the picture and wait for it to load. Okay, so we're just gonna wait, and this is what we get. Now the next thing we're gonna do is to click on the layers icon. Okay, so just gonna click on it. Click on the layers icon. So you see that if there are various layers, your logo, your design here, effect, layer 2, layer 1. So we can decide to make the background color invisible actually by clicking on the eye. So whatever you click, whatever layer you click the eye icon on, it becomes invisible. So what I'm going to do, click on the eye icon for this background color layer. You can see through this corner that it's actually transparent, but if you don't want that, you can click on the place where the eye icon was, and it will appear again. So now what we're working with is this layer that says your design here. This is the layer we're working with. Okay, so you just click on the square, this square, the one that's the square. So just click it once, click again, and then you'll see layer 3, replace your design and all that. So I'm going to click the eye icon on layer 3 to make it invisible, and then leave the layers interface by clicking on layers icon again. Now we're going to go to file at the topmost ribbon. Okay, so you just click on file and then click open and place. So this enables you to place the image you actually want to use as a mock-up. So you just go to your media picker, and now this will enable me to pick my image I want to use. So I'll just allow it to load, and then I will increase the size. Okay, increase the size to the extent that I want it to be. Okay, so I think I like this. Increase it some more. So I like this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to go back to file and save as smart object. Okay, save smart object, click on it and wait for it to load. Alright, you see smart object updated. Now after I've updated the smart object, I will go back. You can see here there are two squares. You see rectangle and you see 71 PSD. Now what I'm going to do is to click on this square that says 71 PSD. Just click on it and wait for it to load, and almost immediately you see it load to your mockup. This is so amazing. So I will download it now by clicking on file and clicking on export as. I can decide to export it as PNG, JPG, web, PDF. I'm going to export it as a JPEG image. So I'm going to wait for it to load. I can rename it as impact mockup. Alright, and then I click on save, and then it downloads. When I click on open, this is what I get. Really, really amazing. Like when I got this, I was so happy with myself. You can try it. It's so easy, and you must have a good network connection for this to work. Alright, so see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, share, and see you in the next video. Bye.